Hi, so I had a question about number 9, so I'm just going to explain it to you in a video, and hopefully that will help. So the question was, they wanted you to find the sine of an angle theta if, so they've given you that the cotangent is -5, which you can write it as 5/1, right? And the cosecant is less than 0. So that means that, I'm sorry, not cosecant, cosine. If the cosine is less than 0, meaning it's negative, right? Less than 0 means negative. So they're telling you the cosine's negative and the tangent, cotangent, which means tangent is also negative, right? Because it's just reciprocals. So if cotangent and the tangent functions are negative and sine, they want you to find sine. So that means that both of these are negative. So that means that here, it wouldn't be in this quadrant because everything's positive, okay? Cotangent, tangent's positive here, right? Cosine's positive here. So the only thing that leaves is it has to be in quadrant 2. That's where both the cotangent and the cosine are negative. So I'm just I made a triangle, right, with the angle theta. I made a right triangle with the right axis, right? I knew I had my angle here. And then I labeled accordingly. So cotangent is, I wrote here, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So cotangent is adjacent over opposite. So the adjacent side is -5, which I put here. The opposite side is 1, which I put here. Okay, and then I just needed to find the hypotenuse in order to get sine, right? Because sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So I used Pythagorean theorem. 1 squared plus -5 squared equals, c squared, or radius squared. So I have 1 plus 25 is c squared, which is 26 is c squared, so c is radical 26. So that means that this length here is radical 26. So then I could just put sine of the angle theta is opposite, which is 1, over hypotenuse, which is radical 26. And then I don't want to put this, I don't want to keep it, you can't keep that in the denominator, so I have to multiply by rationalize, right? Radical 26 over radical 26, so that's how I get 26 in the numerator, radical 26 in the numerator, right? 1 times radical 26, and then radical 26 times radical 26 is the radicals cancel, right? And you get 26. So that's my answer, and which is C. All right, I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions. Bye.